Okay, Vikings, get ready to fly. Hey, Toothless, we gotta prepare for launch. They're almost here. Can't wing glide without wings, though. Okay, getting into position. These wings will give you a dragon's eye view of Berk. No dragons required. Oh! No! Toothless, you're flying without wings! We just fall it! That's all falling! Oh, we gotta help them! Hang on! Don't panic! We're doing enough left for all of us! Okay, I'll look out for the ship! Oh, hey, a chronicle nest! Wait, a chronicle nest? Okay, we have to get you out of here. Chronicle nests explode when they hatch, so just keep moving forward. No. Forward! What? You know which way is forward, right? Oh, no, Jake, you're hatching. Hang on! Maybe you're right, bud. Maybe there'll never be anything like flying with your best friend. As long as your best friend is a dragon. Ah, come on. Toothless, you know that doesn't wash out. Ugh.